This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the lamp assembly so it can produce a clean beam. You remove the cover and fit the correct burner or LED module. Once installed, top up fuel or charge the battery to at least 50% to ensure steady output. You also clean the chimney and lens. Tiny soot reduces range dramatically, and replace any warped gaskets. Make sure the mounting is secure, and the clockwork or rotation motor is in neutral before proceeding to ignition. Once done, you ignite the pilot or switch the LED on and confirm a steady flame or stable voltage. You then align the Fresnel rings or reflector. Move the lamp axially until the beam tightens. This maximizes candle power and range. You also engage the rotation assembly and set speed to the specified 6 to 12 RPM to achieve the correct flash characteristic. While running, monitor temperature and oil feed. Adjustments now prevent flicker and uneven wear later. To finish, you secure all seals, note runtime, and verify the flash pattern from a distance so the signature matches charts. If the light flickers, inspect fuel pressure lines, tight electrical connections, and the gimbal for wobble. Loose components cause intermittent contact. If dim, clean the lens again, swap the bulb or LED module, and recalibrate the focal distance. Finally, make a short test run overnight. This confirms reliability and reveals any slow-developing faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.